OPT here. If you clicked on this video, that means you want more performance out of your Windows operating system. Follow these quick steps below and I'll get you more frames. First, let's dive into one of my favorite ones, the Task Manager. I want you to navigate to the search bar and type in Task Manager. Open up the application and navigate yourself to Startup. In here, you'll see all the applications which are starting up on launch of your computer. You can ascend the order, descend the order by clicking on Status. You'll see which ones are enabled and disabled. The goal is to disable all the ones that are not important, like Spotify. Of course, there are a few which will have to stay enabled, like the Audio Universal device. Go ahead and disable all the ones which are not important. Close the application and you're done. Not to mention, stay tuned for one of my favorite ones. This one helped me out a lot. Go ahead and navigate to the bottom left side of your screen. In the search bar, we're going to type View Advanced System Settings. We're going to open this up in Control Panel. As you can see, there's a few tabs. You want to go to Advanced tab and look at the performance settings. Open that up and you'll see the visual effects. Now, these control a variety of things on your Windows Home. Now, there's a few standard options, but we're going to go into Custom. In Custom, I've unchecked a bunch which are unnecessary and are draining performance. Enable a peak should be on, show thumbnails instead of icons should be on, show window content while dragging should be on, smooth edges of screen are on. These are the most important ones, the rest are off. We're going to apply it, hit OK, and we're done. Navigate to the bottom left side of your screen and type in the search bar Edit Power Plan. Once open this application, we're going to look at the pathway and click on Power Options. In here, you'll see a balance, which is most likely what you have enabled right now. We want high performance. If it's not there, go to additional plans and look for it. Click high performance and close the application. Go ahead and open up the Windows search bar. In here, we're going to type mouse settings. In mouse settings, we're going to scroll down to find additional mouse options. Open up and navigate to pointer options. In here, we're looking at the motion part, where it says Enhance Pointer Precision. Make sure this is turned off, click Apply, click OK, and close the application. Now click on the Windows icon in the bottom left, the cogwheel for settings, and find Gaming. Once opened, you will have Game Bar, Captures, Game Mode. Within Game Bar, this should be off. Captures, the background recording, everything should be off. Now for game mode, we will leave this on. Popular to contrary belief, this actually improves FPS. And yes, I already know that some of you out there will be like, no, game mode needs to be off. No, Windows actually recently updated this and it's working as intended. It actually silences all background notifications and allows your PC to run smoother. You're welcome. Close the application and you're on your way. Now, for the most anticipated one. Specific program performance settings. This one made such a big difference for me when I wanted to prioritize a specific game application I was playing. So follow these steps below and you'll thank me later. Now for my favorite. Type in the search bar Graphics Settings. Open this up and turn on Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. And here comes the best part. You can set specific performance details for games. So you can browse for the game, find the game in your folders, click on the game, and it'll be added to the list. Once you added the game from Steam or else to the list, you can click on Options and click High Performance Mode. This will draw more performance to the game, resulting in better FPS. Once done, close the application. Bring your attention to the bottom left side of the screen. Here we're going to type Disk Cleanup. Open up this Windows System application and you'll see a variety of folders containing junk files. Bottom left, we're going to click on Clean Up System Files. Now it's going to scan for all the system files which need to be removed. Now we know which files are the total amount of space you will gain and all the files that will be removed. These are just temporary files and are completely safe to remove. Click OK. Delete files permanently. And this will take a few minutes to delete all the junk files and free up space and performance. Go ahead and navigate to the bottom left side of your screen. Type in Background Apps. This will open the Windows application of the startup apps running when you start your computer. As you can see, by default, we have a lot of apps running. We're going to want to turn these off, as these are drawing away performance from your PC for the application you want to be running at max FPS. At the top, there's a simple button. We're going to uncheck that and turn all of them off. Close the application and we're done. Navigate to the bottom left Windows icon, cogwheel, and find Apps. Under Apps, you will find a collection of apps which are on your computer, varying from size. I like to sort them by size so you can see which one are the largest. It's now important that we uninstall apps which aren't using and taking away performance from our computer. Look through the list, find apps which are not being used anymore, taking unnecessary space, and go ahead and uninstall them. Once you've uninstalled all the apps, you can close this application and be on your way. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much. Leave improvements and suggestions down below. And remember, follow for more optimized performance tutorials. I'm out.